So, how to install bearings in the hub I think is pretty well covered online. I'll show you what I did just for kicks. I sanded down the old bearing just so it would fit in there and come back out. Just give it a little bit of clearance. I did that on a belt sander. I used my 3-jaw puller to pull it in, so I did that. I used bearing. This bearing went here, like that, and then another one on this side, and then the puller, and I put some washers and cinched it up, and that worked okay. If you get a bearing puller from AutoZone, that'd be better. So I don't want to go too far into that. What I'm going to show is how to put the hub back into the bearing. This worked really well. This is the same threaded rod I use for my R-tabs, my rear trailing arm bushings. This is the inner race. This is the inner race of the bearing. It came out, it was in there like that. I have a washer welded to it, but you don't need to weld. You just set it on there, whatever, just to make it a little more convenient so it doesn't spin all over the place. That, make sure you're pulling it's the exact right size because it literally is the same part on the inner race, and that way you're not pulling on the balls of the bearing or something like that when you just beat it in there. So that goes through there. Really just put that, just 1 second, and cinch it up. This is seized here, is seized on the thread, so I can run it with my impact and just cinch it right in. And then just put another that on this side, cinch it in. So, and that worked. I put this in the freezer. I'll show you here in a second. Got the hub here. Out of the freezer. I got this big thing. There you go. Worst thing ever. Nice and solid. All good.